do it 100%. You know, we speak to people every day, and I see businesses now where I was when we first started coaching, and you know, I mention it all the time to people, and you know, a lot of people who I know now would be screaming out for a coach. Part of the coaching was we were sort of the way we ran the shop was sort of back of a cigarette packet. It was a bit of a sort of, you know, more reactive to what goes on rather than planning. Yeah, like I'd be here 7 days a week. My whole life was the shop. I did everything. You know, I was from top to bottom. I did you know, sales, cleaning. Every job in the store I did, and yeah, I'd have probably been doing something else now, definitely. I'd have probably left this business and do something else, probably work for somebody else or start another business somewhere else without the, you know, a smaller business, without, you know, the turnover of this, something a bit smaller. I mean, before doing any of this, I didn't have any goals. You know, you got goals in your head, but you don't write anything down, or you don't sort of set a date to a goal or set anything to a goal. So it's a lot, you know, it's been you know, a lot better putting it down and knowing what you're doing all this for. It's one of those things, like obviously with regular meetings and regular contact, being held accountable is not only does it help us work towards the goal, it also helps us focus on what we're doing every day to lead up to that goal. I just think one of the things also, you know, as a business owner, everyone's accountable to you, but you're not accountable to anyone. So I think having that outside, someone outside holding you accountable, helps you focus a lot more. It gives you more of a clearer track of what you're doing. You know, you know, when you're not holding yourself accountable all the time, you do need somebody there to sort of show you the way, in theory. Before there was no big picture stuff at all. You know, the great thing is now I can almost look at the business from outside almost and change things before we have issues, rather than the other way around, rather than firefighting all the time. So to be able to look at the business as a, you know, as a whole entity altogether, rather than trying to do everything myself, is a lot better. Just the way we look at the shop. You know, before it's quite involved, and the store was almost me. So the store was almost a projection of myself. But now the things that have changed is, you know, we're looking at things more from a marketing perspective. We're looking at how to get more customers in, how to look after the customers we've got. You know, sales are fantastic as well. But not only that, it's profit as well. Profitability is a major thing that's increased. A lot of the staff joke that I'm not in. I only work part-time now, but obviously I can do a lot of things behind the scenes now. A lot of organising, a lot of you know, less day-to-day struggle, and more sort of more forward thinking and forward planning. I mean, we spend a lot more time with the children now. We spend a lot more time doing things at home, sorting out a home life. You know, I mean, that's what we do it for. A lot of people have definitely noticed the difference in me. Confidence is one of the things. You know, I wasn't very confident before. At work, yes, but outside of work, you know, shied away from a few things, but I've become a lot better, a lot more rounded.